even if you have the TI-83 Plus or just the plain old TI-84 Plus regular version, this is how you can deal with some of the things on the calculator. So first of all, to turn it on, it's down here in the lower left. And if you want to turn it off when you're done, it's the second button and that. See the off? Okay. Some other things you need to know would be, for example, negative button, -3, and +6, and it looks like that. This is how you get your answers. You enter. You can move around with these, obviously. Here's how you clear the screen. Everything's clear. Okay. If you're stuck inside something and you don't know how to get out, you can do the second quit right there. That'll get you out of some menu system. Okay, there's your squared key. So 7 squared is 49. 7 times 7, 7 squared. And enter. Okay, so if you need a cubed, 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Okay, so other things you might need: math. Go over to number, NUM, and then go down or hit number 1 or just hit enter now. I would just hit enter and you should be there. And that's an absolute value. And you can definitely do a number in there like, say, -2. And enter. And you should get what? As you should know, +2. Okay? And some other things, like where is X? It's right here. If you need X for some reason. Okay. And some other things you might need. Dun, dun, dun. The last answer. So if I want the last answer that I don't want to have to type it in again, let's say I want that 27, or say it was something bigger than the like 2, 7, 8, 9, you know, like, let's try this. Okay, we get some big answer there. If I don't want to, if I want to do some work with that answer, but I don't want to type those numbers in again, I could just do a second answer. So that would be the second button and answer. And it will, and enter, sorry. So it gives me that answer back again. I don't know if that's useful. It will be later. Statistics stuff or regression. If you hit the stat key, and then you can move over to, or you can just hit enter, really. And now you can put some numbers in one of these L1 or L2 lists. You put all the numbers in, and after you get all the numbers in, let's put some numbers in. Let's go down. So we've got a few numbers in, not very many. Try a couple more. And say I want to get the mean, median, and mode of those numbers. Stat. Go over to calculate. And then enter. And list 1, yep. All that stuff is right. I'm going to go down. Maybe I can hit just enter, I'm not sure. But I think I got to go down to calculate. When I'm going to calculate all that stuff and hit enter, gives me the mean, X bar. It gives me the minimum number that's there. How many numbers are there? That's N. The first quartile. The second, the median, which is the second quartile. The third quartile, the max number. All that stuff. How cool is that? Okay. That's it. Well, y equals. If we want to graph some stuff, we can put an X. Right, I showed you where the X was. x minus 3 or whatever. And if we want to graph something from the y equals, just hit zoom and standard, which is 6. Zoom 6. If you do zoom 6, then it gives you a negative 10, 10, negative 10, 10 window. And then you can just trace. You can like move left and right or up and down or something like that along your line, and you see it gives you where you are exactly, the x and the y. And if you just hit a number, like say 2, enter, then it'll tell you when x is 2, y is negative 1. What do you think y is when x is 3? Let's try just hitting the 3. Enter. Oh, look at that. Y is 0. So this is some nice useful things. That's a positive sloped line. Peace.